So yes, am I gonna solve this simple math? Come on, yeah. Walk from left to right. Walk from left to right. Yes. So we have. Okay, Let's say, 15 minus 3. That's 12 times 2 plus 4. Okay, what else? Okay, this is 12 times 2. That's 24 plus 4, and that gives us 28. Yes, but guys, this is totally wrong because we did not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. So we did not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Okay, so according to this question, multiplication comes before addition. I didn't add s to that. Please, addition and subtraction. Okay, so the first step would be to treat the multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So let's go ahead and find out the correct answer. All right, so step one would be to treat the multiplication first. So we have 15 minus 3 times 2, that gives us minus 6 plus 4. So according to PEMDAS, addition before subtraction. Okay, so we're saying minus 6 plus 4. Okay, so we have 15 minus 6 plus 4 gives us minus 2. So 15 minus 2, the final answer is 13. So this is the correct answer. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.